Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about string methods in JavaScript. There are a few methods in JavaScript uh, about string which are used to find the length of an string or find the index of particular part of a string. So let's get started. So first, let's suppose I have a string, a variable x. I'm storing a string inside here. Let's suppose Arnab quotes a string and I want to find the length of this string. So what I have to do is, let's suppose I'm taking another variable called length, and length equal to x dot length. Length is a function here, and console log this length variable. So yeah, as you can see, the length is 11 here, so it counts the space also. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, so it includes the space here. So this is a length method. There is some other methods also. Let's talk about index. So let's suppose I want to find the index of these codes here. So what is the index of this one? So there is a function called index of. So I will another taking a variable here, index of codes. This is the variable name, and the method is x dot index of. This is a camel case notation here, guys. So keeping in mind that the of the o is caps here. So inside this index of, you have to put the part of the string which you want to find the index of. Let's suppose codes, and I'm console logging the value of index of codes. So as you can see, the index of this one is 6, so it counts from the beginning, like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So the code starting from here and ending here, so the index of codes is here, so 6. That's why it is showing 6. There is some other methods also, which is index last index of. Let's suppose I have a string which contains two same words. Let's suppose codes. So I want to find the index of last code. So there is also method called last index of codes. So x dot last index of. This is also camel case notation, and inside this method you have to pass the word you want to find. Let's suppose codes. So console log the value of last index of codes. So you can see it is 18 here, so it starts counting from the beginning, and it will keep going unless and until it will find this code at the last position. So it is the index is starting from here, so this position is 18 here. So this is all about last index of. So let's talk about slice now. There is also called slice. So let's suppose I have a string called hello world. Yeah, hello world. And you want to slice the only the hello part here. So what I have to do is, let's suppose I'm typing hello, the variable hello, and you want to slice slice. The method name is slice here, and inside this function you have to pass the starting position and end position. So let's suppose I want to start from the beginning, which is 0, and ending at 1 2 3 4 5. So I want to end at 5. So let's suppose, yeah, hello. So as you can see, the hello is coming here, output is here hello. So we are successfully sliced the string into two separate string, which is hello and this is word. And there is another thing that you can do, which is uh, uppercase and lowercase. So let's suppose uppercase. So x dot to uppercase, it will transform the whole string into a capital string. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the output. Yeah, as you can see, the hello world is transformed into a total capital string here, and the opposite thing can be done. Let's suppose I have a caps world here and I want to make it in lowercase. So I will take another variable called lowercase, and there is a function lowercase, same as uppercase, and console log this lowercase variable. So as you can see now that the world was caps and now it is all small letter. So that's pretty much it today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.